we have forgotten to be small. We have forgotten to be little. That there is greatness in being small and in being little. Ang ating buong buhay, gusto natin, number one. Gusto natin taas ng taas. Gusto natin mas mayaman. Gusto natin mas malakas. Gusto natin mas may koneksyon. This is tiring. This is stressful. This is causing our anxiety. Ano ang ginagawa natin? At lalo pa nating gustong tumaas ng tumaas ng tumaas. Sa pananaw, the taller, the better. The higher, the better. The richer, the better. The more popular, the better. The more likes, the better. But there is greatness in being little. There is greatness in being small. Mayroong kadakilaan at mayroong kapayapaan yung makita nating maliit na tao lang po ako. At hindi ko kailangan mag-ambisyong magmalaki. Hindi ko kailangan mag-ambisyong makalipad. Because to be little is to be great in the eyes of the Lord. We have forgotten to be little.